A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for DeKalb, Alabama, Jackson, Alabama, Madison, and Alabama until about 4:45 p.m. This storm brings the threat of damaging winds around 60 miles per hour. The storm is moving east at around 55 miles per hour. Take this seriously. Get inside, away from windows. Heads up. Alert upgraded for DeKalb County. Severe thunderstorm watch upgraded to severe thunderstorm warning. Heads up. New severe thunderstorm warning issued for DeKalb, Jackson. Severe thunderstorm warning for DeKalb, Jackson, Madison. Severe thunderstorm watch for Colbert, Coleman, DeKalb, Franklin, Jackson, Lauderdale, Lawrence, Limestone, Lincoln, Madison, Marshall, Moore, Morgan. Tornado warning for